So on this video I'm working on the turning mechanism, right? Okay, so this is the servo, this is a servo, lay servo.
Sure, my name is Daniel and I'm going to show you how I made this track. So this track uses Bluetooth. Actually it's controlled by Bluetooth. Okay, so these are the functions of the track and this is how it moves. It turns left, right, forward and back. Okay, so come closer so that I can show you more. Okay, so this is the LiPo page. It powers the whole circuit. Okay, so this is the Arduino. Actually this is the Arduino shield. Yeah, these are the shields. Okay, it's shielding the Arduino at the bottom. The Arduino looks like this. It's the one that used to control all the functions of the track, and then this board here on top, the shield, is used to control the motors, because of we can't control the motors using the Arduino directly. So this is the power distributor, because here I put in the 11 volts from the LiPo battery, and then it distributes the power to the motors, okay, and the servo. So this is the servo. And then this is a tiny DIY mechanism. Okay, I made it fully from scratch. Everything is fully made from scratch. The chassis fully welded and fully metal. Okay, so I outsourced some parts from old RC cars like this. Okay, this is a differential. So we'll demonstrate here on how it moves. So by pressing the arrows here, it moves forward and back, it turns left and right. Okay, so we have a command screen where we can send extra commands. So this is the command screen where we can send more commands. Basically any command that you would like to send, you just send it here, you see. So to reduce the speed, let me say 5 and then down. Okay, down and back. You see here it says motor A backward. What the hell? Oh, speed set to level 5.
So you might be wondering, how does the car receive all the signals and all the data? So it receives the signals and the data through a Bluetooth module. Okay, this is the Bluetooth module. Okay, I've soldered the pins there, the wires, so that the connection can be stable, because of if you don't solder here and you're using the plugs, these plugs sometimes can be loose, and then them being loose, you lose connection because of when this car moves, it shakes and vibrates, so you lose some contact. Okay, this is Bluetooth module. It uses 6 to 5 volts of power. Actually it uses from 3.6 to 6 volts, so I only use 5 volts for it. Okay, it uses 2 signal pins, the RX and TX, and they are connected directly to RX and TX. Even here on the Arduino, you see the blue ones, the blue wires there, blue and yellow. The blue and yellow, it's T and RX. So if you can see there, it's TX and RX. Okay, so I know the presentation is not quite good, but then we are getting there as time goes on. So for you to see more of such content and such videos, please do comment yes, I would like to see more, or just comment Arduino, just comment engineering, because of this is part of mechatronics, where you learn more about microcontrollers and computation, as well moving mechanisms, because of you have to make the mechanisms move. Okay, so this is a servo mode. this is a servo motor, and then this servo motor is turning the whole front mechanism. Okay, we have many types of servos. By saying many types of servos, I mean the different sizes and the power. Okay, I also have two 360 servos that they can spin like 360 forever. Okay, and then you can spin them like anti-clockwise and clockwise. I can't use them for turning because of they spin without having a stable position. So these are positional servos. Okay, they're also used in these professional RCs.
Device unplugged.
Oh, this is the servo here. Okay, you see, these ones are more professional compared to these ones. These ones are entry-level servos. Okay, you see the mechanism there is quite good. So if you follow or subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll see more of these, because of I want to make a full RC car from the beginning, showing all the steps, how to make the mechanisms and everything. How do I put the code? Okay, the code, I insert a USB cable here to put the code. Okay, this is the USB cable. I have two different sizes. As you can see, it's the blue one around here. So yeah, this is a warehouse, so it's kind of messy. Okay, so you have to charge your LiPos, the LiPo batteries. We use this to charge the LiPo batteries. Okay, so my LiPo batteries are 3S, and then there's also 2S and 1S and 6S, 4S. Yeah, I think they end up to 6S. So the S means there are 3 cells making the full 3S battery. Okay, one day I'll dive deeper into that, but for now you can ask any question you have. This is the Arduino at the bottom, and this is the shield.